So guys, what will you do in a crumbling economy to make money? What will you do when the money you make from your job right now is no longer enough for you? In present day Nigeria, or you are a student, you want something that you can still remain in school and still able to make money. You move to an alternative, which is what? Forex trading. Believe me when I tell you, you are so lucky to be in this video. In this YouTube video, you learn how to get started with forex trading with just your phone. You know the apps that you're going to be needing. I will tell you about my 3 recommended brokers. I won't just tell you, I'll walk you through the step of registering it one after the other. I'll teach you the skill of technical analysis and you'll be able to call out your first trade by yourself. And we will know whether it's going to be a winner or a loss. And I will be introducing you guys to my free Telegram community where I'll be calling out free weekly signals for you guys till you're able to learn completely. Not only that, I will show you how to input the signals I'm going to be calling out for you by yourselves and make money. And guys, by the end of this YouTube video, I will show you how you'll be able to get 5 million naira to use to trade with to make profits. So guys, this is going to be a complete guide to forex trading. If it is not in this video, it is not anywhere else. So I would want you guys to please show your support by giving this video a quick like and hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so whenever we post new content, you'll be the first to get it. So guys, my name is Victor Snow and this is Trading from the Soul. I'm the biggest failure of all time and here is my story. As a student, I wanted a way that I can be able to make money. I started with laundry. I went to POS. From POS, I even got to the point that I needed money, so I went and started doing dog business. I failed in dog business. I said, I'm done. I have to start online to look for something I can actually do. I needed something that will still make me remain in school and still do it. So I started from softwares, taking softwares. If you're taking softwares, you know that earning $1 online is so hard. So from softwares, I moved to being a freelancer on Fiverr. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that all these things make sense till I found forex trading. And today I'm going to be helping you guys find it as well. So guys, what is the term forex? Forex is the acronym for what? Foreign exchange. It is an environment for what? Changing of international currencies. Forex is the largest trading market in the world, over 6 trillion volume traded every day. So guys, the thing it is actually made up of a country's currency. So look at the basis of money before what you have here now. This paper money that we have now. Money actually started from what? Service, food. You can actually farm, you can actually fish. You meet someone that have food. I tell the other person that let me work for you, let me fish for you, so that you'll be able to, give me food to eat. Then it moved from that towards trade by barter. All these things we're talking about is value here. You have so hen, you have so like donkey. I want your donkey, you want my hen. So what I will do is we exchange of value. The downside to this is that sometimes you might not actually want what that person has now. Probably the person has donkey, you don't actually want it, but you have what? Only hen. From there, we move to gold. We found gold, a precious metal that we use and what exchange value. You can now use your gold now to buy anything you want. So from gold, we move to what? When they created countries, each country decided to create their own way of what? Exchanging value. That's how what countries' currency came about. Which currently we have now the digital money, which we have what? Cryptocurrency. Can you see here? All these things is just like trading, exchange of value now. So what I'm trying to make you understand is you've actually participated in forex one way or the other. As well as you've exchanged your naira to dollar before, or you've exchanged your South African rands to dollar, or the Ghanaian cedis to what? Dollar before. Look at how you do this now. Probably went to buy dollar just for something and you left it for days and you bought dollar with a rate of 1,000 and you got what? You use 5,000 naira to get $5 and you left it for days because if you just wanted to, you've not started using it. I then decided to, you change your mind and you then decided to go back to their broker to exchange it back. You notice that the rate is now 1,300. And now when you want to exchange it now, you're no longer making 5,000. Your money is no longer 5,000 naira you exchange with. You are now 300 naira percentage profits in each one of them. And this is equivalent to what we do in forex trading. We try to buy low. We use the power of technical analysis to try to buy low as much as possible. And wait, could be minutes, could be hours to sell it higher. Do you now understand? So now, the country has their own currency, Nigerian naira, the United States dollar, and the rest. So these are currency pairs now. Nigerian naira is denoted by what? NGN. The United States dollar is what? USD. We actually trade it this way. We trade the currency pair against each other. If you come to my trading view here, you see currency pairs we have here. What we have here is what? Euro USD, which means what? The euro against the US dollar. So we trade forex in pairs, which the first one is known as what? The put currency, and the other one is what? Known as the base currency. What this stippling means, Euro USD means, is what I have the United States dollar, but I want to buy the euro. An example, this is the what GBP USD. What this means is the pound against the United States dollar. What this simply means is that I have the United States dollar and I want to buy the pound. So the pair NGN USD / USD means what? I have the United States dollar and I want to buy the what? Nigerian naira. So the question here is, what apps are you going to be needing to actually start trading? So you're going to be needing TradingView, which is what I'm actually on. But in your phone, you download it from Play Store, TradingView. You're going to be needing what? MetaTrader 4. Then you're going to be needing what? Broker, which is like what? An intermediary, a middleman that collects your money to buy out this thing for you. And don't be scared, most of them are regulated. And the ones I'm going to mention in this video are regulated brokers. They can't run away with your money. So guys, the first broker we're going to be looking at is called SNS Broker. Let's take a look at it. Here we have here that we're going to be using for trading. MetaTrader 4 app, the SNS app. To start, you click on to register and you select the country or region, right? Nigeria. Click on continue. So you just have to put your email address already opened. Click on continue and you set your password. A quick tip here is that you have to actually use up to 8 to 15 characters, and it must be upper and lower case, and you must have a number in it, and you must have a special character which is equals to @ / those are special characters. So once you're through with everything, you sign triggering and click on continue. So you have to set your password. It's just a 6-digit password number. You'll be writing down everything that you're doing. So what pops up is to either deposit or fill in your details for KYC and upload your identical documents. So you have to upload your identical documents. Then you click on login now, and they'll send you a code which you come and get the code to actually log in. Let's take a look at Infineon Broker. So for Infineon, you have to actually open your Chrome and you search for Infineon create account. And the first one, that's the one you're going to be clicking. And your first name, your details, your first name, last name, email address, your number, that's what they need for you to sign up. Your details, you put in your first name. I'm going to be filling this all in for you. I'm going to be filling all this in. The number. Choose your country's code. And click on continue. Here we have it. You complete the other remaining things that needs to be filled in. Put in Mrs. I'm going to be completing the whole details process in this window. And you put in your date of birth, and the other one is for your year of birth. And you put in your place of birth. That's the country. You want your country. And you put in your ID card, national identification number, NIN, identification number. Please on continue. Here you have to fill in your other address. You need this for your KYC. So any quick CPAs, any address that you're putting in here should be the one used for that is in your bank statement. So here you fill in things here, which you have: financial background, employment status. They want to know your annual income. So just put any amount. I'll be using 5,000 naira. Expected total deposit amount. You put in from one range that you want. Experience less than 1 year is better. Then risk tolerance. Choose the first one. Accept a fair amount of fluctuation and click on next. So you have to actually choose your trading platform. I'm going to be using MetaTrader 4 because of it is common, and So account type is standard STP. Then choose your account currency. Account currency will be in the United States dollar, and click on this. Check the pause and you click on next. Congratulations, you've done 90% of the verification. You go ahead and do your KYC. KYC is use your national identification number, and use your KYC for it. Now let's take a look at FSTM for mostly people that are not in Africa. So for FSTM, open your Chrome, write fstmngn.com, exactly this website. Click on continue. So at the upper left hand corner, click on open account. Here you see these details here. Now you have to fill them in. your first name, your last name, the country from, your phone number, your email, your password, just everything. I'll go ahead and fill my own. Click on tap here to verify. Here you have to choose, the first one is butterfly, and next one, click on OK just for verification. Choose where you want to get your code to confirm your number, WhatsApp or email, which you have, whichever is good for you, and you go to your email to pick in the code. I'll be going to my email to pick in the code. Click on, paste it, and register. So here they're asking your trading platform that you want. We'll be using MT4. So they'll ask you here, you continue with the verification. Make sure you have put no. You don't have TIN, and you put in your full address here. Click on OK. And open account. Here your leverage, you have to choose 1:500, and put on open account. You have to make it. So you click on open accounts here, open trading accounts here. So you have to actually fund your account, or you try out their demo account, or as a beginner, I advise you try that demo account. So click on open a trading account. You have the option to, if you want to deposit fund, click on deposit. You can deposit in cryptocurrency or your normal from your bank deposit. But make sure the money you're depositing comes from your account, your name from there. So you just have to go back if you don't want to deposit right now, and you try to open a demo account. Here you choose your trading platform and click on try the demo, and you choose the leverage. I advise you go 1:500 as a beginner, and you put your trading password and reconfirm it. Put your initial balance that you want to be in that account, and boom, your account is open. If you scroll down, you should be able to see your account. You don't have to actually open an account on all of them. All of them does the same thing. And moreover, our brokers are placed with deposit money and also withdraw profits made from the money. Broker account, brokerage account, you can actually create a real account or a demo account. A demo account is where you practice with paper money, not actually money. Then a real account is where you deposit your money. After you must have mastered trading, you want to deposit real money. You can deposit real money and trade with. So guys, now that we've created this account, we're going to be using details from these 3 brokers, and we'll go to this MetaTrader 4. We'll input it into our MetaTrader 4, the details from this, login details from the broker account. And we're going to be using FSTM in this scenario, guys. Take those details now and move for MTM4. Here you put in your account details there. Put on manage account. Remember, here is the place we're going to be trading at. Then click on plus at the upper right hand corner of your screen. Click on open a demo account, the first one. You come back to Chrome and you take these details from here now. Copy the server name, copy it, and you paste it to find the broker. Click on it. Then here you're going to be putting in your name, your phone number, your email. Click on open account, and boom, our demo account has been opened. Demo, and you can see, if you should go back here, you see $100,000 here, and you can see our pairs right here that they put for you. So we're gonna be upper left hand corner, we're gonna be deleting the pairs now to leave in the pairs that we only trade. We're gonna be leaving Euro, USD, GBP, USD, USD, JPY, USD card. So to add more pairs, you can actually hit the plus icon at the upper right hand corner. So we have the pair Euro USD. Below it, you can see the spread and the time. Guys, we're going to be placing our first trade actually. And before we do that, I would want you to please give this video a quick like and a subscribe. It helps grow this channel. Have you done it? Have you done it? Good. Let's continue. So guys, how can you actually place a trade? To actually place a trade, you're going to be needing to do technical analysis, which technical analysis allows us, it's like what's on my screen, allows us traders to know when to exactly buy and sell in the market. Or secondly, you can actually use my signals, which the link to my free Telegram community is in this video's description. So guys, let's now take a look at how to get started with your TradingView. You just have to download TradingView or use your phone. Log on to www.tradingview.com. You have to put your email and you click on chat, and it brings you here. The first thing you're going to be looking at is you have to select the pair you want to trade. In our own case is the Euro USD, and also add or remove pairs from here. So first thing is, what are we actually seeing here now? We are seeing candles now, which the blue ones are known as the pull candles, which is when price is moving up, and the red candles is the bear candle or the bearish candle, which is when price is coming down. TradingView is actually charting platform. What this allows us to see is to see historical and prices movements in form of candlesticks. And what these candlesticks you are seeing here is it shows us historical data of what happened in a bars in a pair. And what we do in technical analysis is a skill that allows us to buy and sell is we use historical data to know when to exactly buy or exit the market from. So the first thing I want to teach you guys is what time frames. If you click on here, you can see 1 minute, 1 second, you can see 4 hours, 1 hour, up to 1 day, 1 month, even 6 months. So if you select the daily chart now, what this definitely means is that it shows you what is happening, historical price, which each candle here is called bar, which each candle here represents what trading period for a day. That is, this one is what 1 day, December 11th. If you move to another one, is 12th December. So each year is what day. If you move to 4 hours, it shows you historical data and what 4 hours, which each candle represents what happened within a 4-hour period. This thing goes down to even the 1 second, 5 second, etc. So guys, I'm going to be using this thing to explain the book candle for you now. The market opens now. Market starts from something like this we are seeing on my screen. Before it forms now, for a book candle, it opens around this level. This is the price it opened at 1084.2. Then it moves what up, start moving. It gets to a particular point. It moves to exactly this point in the market. Here it opened as is the opening price. We name it the opening price. They move to exactly this point. If it should close exactly here, this is what we have. A close candle. It closed around here. This candle you're seeing here, book candle, has the before it closes, has the ability to go way past this level here before actually coming down to here now. Let's say it went past this level here now and what closed right here in the market. What we have is what a wick of a candle, a shadow, which is the tail of the candle. So to explain this type of book candle is what market opened at 1084.2 and moved towards to 8570.0. Then what sellers came in and pushed the market to down here, which is 6357.2. Another scenario is when this market actually opened, before it actually opened here, before it started going up, it actually moved down to this level first. We ended up towards closing around here or going up to this level before coming down to close here. So what we have is what a down wick to this level at this price level. So that is for bull candle. So guys, I said the red ones are bear candles now. What it actually means, guys, is that when price was opened here now, that price would move down to close below the opening price. The other one closed above the opening price. So that's the difference between what a bear and bullish candle. So before this thing closed at this level here, this thing has the ability of coming up here before it closed here, and we say that is the wick of the candle, and it has the ability of moving down to this level before what closing to this level, which we have the what down wick of the candle. So we say that the market what moves in waves, like there is what impulsive move, a correction. This is waves here now. It doesn't just go in straight line. This is what I mean by straight line. It doesn't move in straight line. It moves in what it goes, it retraces back, it goes what it traces back. So this is being divided into what? One. When it is moving up, it goes, it retraces back, it goes, it retraces back, which is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We say that it is what? In an uptrend. But when it starts moving down, which is what? A lower high, lower low, lower high, the same way, lower low. We say that it is what? A downtrend. So this is an example of a downtrend here. So another way markets tend to move, guys, is something like this now. When it is not either moving up or down, this is what? Moving sideways, something like this. We say that it is ranging, and during this period, it shouldn't be trading. You should stay away from the market. So guys, when the market is creating this higher high, higher low for us, when it's what does this now, it's up to you as a trader to patiently wait for the around this level to what enter the market. If you're advanced trader, you will know how to what sell the market from this level to this level, which we actually have what we call what a long tool now. This thing is what a buy tool now. What this means is what here will be our entry point, here will be our take profit level here in the market now. What it means that we are predicting the market to move from this 21.16 to what 74.30, and if we are wrong, guys, the market should what come back to 19.38 to take us out. So we don't actually make money from only when we are buying in the market. We also make money from when we are what selling contract in the market. Selling is what? You know the price is coming down to a level. Your broker will borrow you money now. You're already predicting market will come down now. They will buy that thing in your name, and when it comes back now, you take profit. It means that you're entering here. If you're wrong, market should stop you out here, and you're projecting to this level. So guys, we actually have different types of strategies in forex, which we have what the retail trading, which we use what definite support and resistance level. Which support is mean that it is the price flow. Anytime price gets to that level, it will bounce off. Then we have what the smart money concept, which is actually the one I use in trading, which we believe that markets, before market makes a movement, there must be liquidity there to what, like if we were to push the market upwards. Go ahead to have what algo trading, and we have what finally the ICT. A few other strategies out there though. So here we also have what types of traders. We have the scalpers, we have the day traders, we have the swing traders, and we have the position size traders. Scalpers are people that they enter positions like 2 hours or 1 hour, 5 minutes, they take their profit and they're out of the market. They can take 20 trades in a day. Day traders are people that their trades can stay up to throughout the day or even the following day to take profit. Swing traders leave their trade for like 2 months, 3 months. And position size traders can leave their trade up to a year. And then we have the long-term investors. Can you now understand this is according to how your schedule is? So if you're coming into this market, you don't actually have to, lose your job or quit your job. You can actually choose a type of trading and still be doing your job and still be trading. So it's not something you leave your job for. So guys, the second one is actually taking signals, which me, already experienced trader, I'll do my technical analysis here. Then I'll send it in my Telegram community. Link is at this video's description. For me, I'll wait for a specific zone to come back. I'll wait for market to retrace to this of my zone here, right here. Give me an entry signal to buy from this level now. What I will do is I will probably, if what I project is market should come down to this level. This is me counter trending. But what I'll do is I'll definitely, because of I just saw this candle here, up candle here, I'll just probably put my stop loss below here now. Here, this one is long now when you want to buy. So from here, I'll project the market will probably reach any zone here from here. What I will do is I'll just copy the details from here. If I copy the details, I'll send it to my Telegram community. You look at my trading community, if there's no trading from this, so you kind of see other setups that I've dropped here. Then you take the signals from there. You just have to put in the signals now, the buy, the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss, and we'll see whether it's going to be a win or a loss. So to place a trade from my signals, click on any video's description to get the link to my Telegram. Here you can see the link. The signal I've already posted there. To place a trade, you come to this MT4. You use USDCHF, click on it to click on new order, and you have the market order, the option for the type of order. The left side is the stop loss place you put your stop loss. I'm going to be putting it. The right side is what take profit level. Right side is what the take profit level, and the middle is the loss size. We're going to be using one loss size, and we can see market is actually moving, and we are currently in profit. To close it, we're going to be closing right now, and boom, we close with 69.8.0 profits. That's around $70 profit. So guys, that's just it. So to withdraw the money, you come back to your broker, which FSTM, and click on my money. You actually here you have the option to withdraw your funds. So guys, now that you've learned how to trade, how to start with forex, you're going to be needing practice with a demo. Yeah, as a beginner. But once you're done with it, you want to be able to withdraw the money that you've made, and you have to fund your account. Funding account is risky. So guys, that's why we have this great thing now. So guys, we've gotten to the part that you guys have been waiting for. Level up your trading. You're going to be needing a huge amount of capital. So how are you going to be doing it? There's something we call proprietary firm, prop firms. Proprietary firm is just like a company, a group of guys now. These guys' main goal is to fund you. Lowest 5 million naira. These guys can fund you up to $1 billion naira. But they need only one thing from you. They want to know whether you know how to trade the right way possible. Let me tell you, forex space is a space for trading the right way and also gambling. Someone used to say that there is a thin line between trading and gambling. So these guys want you to trade for them the right way. But first of all, you have to prove them you know how to trade. And that is why they give you a two-phase. It's like an examination. It has the first one and the second one. You just have to make your profit target some 5%, some 8%. And once you're done with it, these guys will fund you an account 5 million naira lowest. And funny thing about this is, if you go to the bank to borrow money now, bank will actually demand an interest from you from 5 million naira. Most of them can go as high as 5% and high as 15% interest. and the risk is on you. That is, whether you make profit or loss, it doesn't concern the bank. You must pay them their money with interest. But these guys are giving you money now, no interest now, and they take the risk. That is, if you blow the account up, if you make mistake, if you lose the capital, it doesn't concern, like nothing is on you. The risk is on them. Just show them how to trade. And the good thing about this thing is, if you make money, that is how they make money now, is 90% share of the money. That is, you take 90%, then they take 10%. It is crazy, guys. They don't do this thing anywhere except forex trading, guys. So don't miss out on this. This is an example of what I'm telling you about. I'm currently on this their examination now. Can you see now? This is $5,000 account. Let me open it. I'm currently on their challenge, $5,000 for 5 million naira, more than 5 million naira. So if I pass this thing, they will fund this thing for me. So guys, the link is at this video's description, the prop firm I'm using, for you to actually check them out. You don't have to miss out on this. You can even use my signals to use and pass them. So everything is on you now, whether you're going to be lazy or not. So guys, you've come to the end of this YouTube video. What we learned is, I made a basic introduction to forex. I told you how to brokers to use. I explained it for you. Told you how to open it. Told you how to move your account from that broker to your MetaTrader, for which is where we are going to be trading. I taught you how to do technical analysis, taught you type of strategies and type of trader that you want to be. I did analysis and set signal for you to trade, and you took the trade and it was a winner. So I want you to please give this video, show your support by giving this video a quick like and a subscribe. And besides, this is just the beginning, because you have one thing about forex is what the more knowledge you have of it, the more money you make. The knowledge is like what a bank giving out money for you here. So you need a mentor, a YouTube channel to follow. So I want you to please give this video a like and a subscribe, and I will be at the comment section answering questions. Anywhere you are lost, I will be there answering questions for you. So guys, now that you've learned about forex trading, every trade you take comes with what? A risk. For in trading, we don't avoid the risk, because risk makes us the money. What we do is we take risk that we calculate, and we name it what? Calculated risk. So once you have your technical analysis by your left hand, and you have your risk management by your right hand, now you are what? You are a complete trader. And here is a YouTube video on a complete idiot guide to risk management. I will see you right there.